Alrighty, Sean, here's your 347 small bore Ford. The description of this combination, got a custom grind hydraulic roller, got your rear shuffle oil pan, got just our Dyno manifold carburetor to run for you. Wonder and see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400 or 384 pounds of torque, peak torque 423, peak horsepower 451. So everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things. Receive your engine, find a single looks of credit cards, USB card. It is full of technical information. And the crate will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have a lot of data on there. I highly recommend reading that. Have a great day.